The magnificent lynx can be found in the colder regions of Canada and Eurasia. They are on the small side, just a tad bigger than your average house cat, at most. They weigh around 8 to 14 kilograms and stand between 80 and 90 centimeters. The northern woodlands of North America, Europe, and Asia are home to lonely lynxes. Their thick, luxurious fur protects them from the chilly winter weather. In the winter, a lynx's coat is typically thick, long, and gray. In the summer, it becomes thin and light brown. Their large, furry paws can act as snowshoes because they strike the ground in a spreading motion. Their bobbing tails and large tufts on their triangular ears make them easy to spot. Lynxes are typically found in the boreal woods of the Arctic. They make their homes in these woods by excavating burrows or cavities in rocks, tree stumps, or dense underbrush. These dens protect them from the severe conditions of the boreal forest. Most males like to be on their own. That's why we refer to them as lone predators, but make no mistake, they can care for themselves. They are nocturnal hunters. Because their ears and eyes are so much better developed due to their slow speed, they rely heavily on their senses. Lynxes have to stalk their prey in silence. They wait patiently in a hiding place near their victim, then pounce when right. Lynxes favor the snowshoe hare, a little rabbit-like creature. Mammals, birds, and even larger creatures like caribou are fair game for these opportunistic predators. Although they cannot kill caribou, they might be able to salvage some meat from a caribou that has been injured or has died. These cats are so sneaky that they avoid humans and only come out at night to hunt. However, many different kinds of lynxes exist. Although the European lynx population is small, those that exist tend to be larger than their Canada lynx counterparts, just as they are in Asia. Every single lynx is an expert hunter. As I mentioned, Canada lynxes prefer snowshoe hares above mice, squirrels, and birds. Larger Eurasian lynxes specialize in taking down deer and other mammals. In addition to the springtime or late winter companionship of tiny animals, the lynx. After gestating for 2 months, females typically have anywhere from 1 to 4 young. The lynx is a threatened species because humans target it for its luxurious fur. Although most lynx inhabit cold northern forests, the Iberian lynx has adapted to life in the mountains of Spain. I'm hoping today's lesson on relationships was helpful to you.